I mean, we're looking at definitely SASE, is something, and cloud firewall. Cloud firewall we're already rolling out, but I would say the next big thing for us is for my area is going to be SASE. For me, it's different because it's not about FIS, it's about my customers. So I'm looking at it from that view. And when I go into a consulting opportunity with them, for me, it's going to be all about SLAs, right? So basically putting my money where my mouth is. So with SD-WAN, we have given some pretty aggressive SLAs with financial penalties. And it's more of an end-to-end experience, right? It's not the fine print, SLA document that, has 100 different outs that you'll see with a carrier document about, it doesn't cover the last mile and all that kind of stuff. So we're offering a 4 nines on a end-to-end from their site all the way to wherever the next hop is, to our data centers, to another one of their locations, out to MetTel POP. And that's a pretty powerful argument. But I'll say that's just the beginning, because ultimately, and I was at the FIS client conference last week. It was our annual conference. We had about 4,000 FIS clients there. And I presented it in a session out there where we're taking this. Because the SD-WAN engine itself, it's just an engine, right? It's not the end all. You have to package so much around it to make it hugely successful. And we've done that with MetTel, in the day-to-day support, in the real-time reporting to our customers when there's even a slight event, so that they know before they get a call from, one of their other branches. But where we want to go with this, and I think this will help really hopefully push the industry in the right direction, is we want to go from an availability SLA, right, the 3 nines, 4 nines, 5 nines, to a customer experience SLA. In other words, truly based on, the SLA is based on the customer experience. If the customer has a bad experience and it's the fault of the network, then the SLA kicks in. And I know that that's a foreign concept, but we worked with MetTel and VMware about 1.5 to 2 years ago on this, and they agreed to put the code in, and it's in now in the 4.5 version. So now MetTel's kind of developing their data lake, and they're going to start mining that data, and we're going to figure out how we can report on it. It's essentially going to be, in version 1, it's going to be all based on the MOS score, right? Jitter, latency, packet loss, which are the 3 primary characteristics that define a good or bad experience. It'll be based on the 3 types of traffic: transactional, video, voice,